Okay, explain to me what you guys are doing here.
We got to jump over obstacles, and as the further you get, the more it speeds up. So you'll see it in a second. You see how it's speeding up a little bit?
I do. So what are you guys using for this? What are you using to program this game?
This is on Unity, programming the code on C++.
Great. Is this difficult for you?
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many hours would you say you have into this game right here?
No, it's tough to tell. I don't know, like 12 hours,
Okay.
upwards about.
And now, did you make the graphics, or was that like a canned graphics?
We
type
we
of
had
thing?
we have imported assets from a tutorial we had.
Cool. But the coding is all yours.
Yeah.
Great.
For the most part.
Most
Yeah,
of it.
there's some stuff, but most of it we did.
Can we see the code real quick? Just
Yeah.
Not that we're gonna understand what it means, but
Yeah. Well, there's a ton. There's all these scripts. So we'll just go into the main one, the gameplay controller. This is probably the largest script because it has the most
Wow.
to it.
Yeah, but this is where we call everything when it starts in the game, and
Where we have our update function that constantly refreshes.
that's awesome.
then each individual script also does updates and starts. So
Yeah.
they're all woven together.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for sharing. Make sure you charge 99 cents per download
Oh,
so you
heck
can
yeah.
become a million.
We're going
millionaires.
upwards of $10.
There you
Yeah.
go.